Hey, what's up guys, Ali here from isocialyou.com and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I want to show you some really interesting Instagram story hacks and tactics, some things that people and influencers use, but they don't share it with other people. So let me show you some of these tactics. I'm gonna jump on my phone and walk you through these hacks for Instagram stories. And by the way, before I do that, make sure you do subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that bell icon. This channel is all about marketing tools, tactics, hacks, and strategies. So now let's jump into it. So let's go to Instagram. Here is my Instagram at alimirza2k. If you're not following me, make sure you connect with me on Instagram. I post a lot of cool content about marketing hacks and experiments, answer a lot of questions from my students there. Now let's go to Instagram stories. So the first hack I want to show you is you can create image or photo collages on your Instagram story. So I'm just gonna take a picture here and let's do a solid background. There you go. And now I'm gonna go to my camera roll and let's bring a picture. So for example, this one, I'm gonna hit copy. Let's go back to my Instagram and now hit the text and the paste. Look at that. So let's put that here. And now I'm gonna go back to my camera. Let's find another picture. How about this one? Copy, go back, same thing, paste. Look at that. And you can bring as many pictures as you want. You can have fun with this. This is really cool feature. And then once you're done, you can just upload it to or add it to your story. Super simple hack. Now I did create one. Let me show you. I'm gonna discard this. So it's just simply copy pasting from your camera roll. Super simple. Now there is, look what I did. So this is something I created earlier today. Oh, by the way, I'm using branded backgrounds. If you want to know how to create branded backgrounds with your logo, just like this one, for your Instagram stories, leave me a comment below and I will create a separate video and walk you through how to do it for yourself. So really cool. But this is where I created a image collage using the copy paste function. Now let's go back to the second hack. This is about using the text shortcuts or text replacement on Instagram stories. This saves me so much time. So let me show you what I mean. So I'm gonna go back to Instagram stories. Let's take a picture. And I'm just gonna bring a GIF just for the fun. And now, you can add hashtags to your Instagram stories and get discovered or attract more people. But if I'm typing hashtags or typing text here, it just takes forever. Look at that. So if I want to add 2 hashtags, by the way, a quick note, used to be that you could add up to 10 hashtags on Instagram stories, and you still can add 10 hashtags, but one thing I observed is if you're using more than 2 or 3 hashtags, your stories do not appear in those hashtags. I don't know what's going on. Maybe that's something Instagram is changing. So if you're watching right now, 2019 and beyond, I would say don't use more than 2, maximum 3 hashtags on your Instagram stories. But let's get back to our hack. So you see, it takes forever to type these hashtags. So what I've done is, now watch this. So I'm gonna type HT2 and then look at the bottom. That's a text replacement. So hit that and boom, there you go. Now I can add hashtags to my Instagram stories. Now let me show you how you can create these text shortcuts or replacements. I did it for hashtag. You can do it for a lot of other things. This helps me save so much time. Now, how do you do it? It's actually super simple. I use iPhone, so I'm gonna go to my settings and I believe general, and then go to the keyboard and then look on the top, text replacement, and here are different text shortcuts that I've created. And by the way, look at the HT one. So this is 30 hashtag. Guess what I do with these? Yes, I use these in my Instagram feed. Now if you go back, HT2 is something that I've created for my Instagram stories. Now let's go look at HT3. Here is another set of 30 hashtags that I use on my Instagram feed. So there you go. So this is how you can use text shortcuts and placements and really save time when you're posting content to your Instagram stories. Super effective and very productive thing personally for me. Now let's jump into the third hack. Now the third hack is actually really cool. I love it. It's about using fancy fonts on your Instagram stories and standing out. So I use an app called, there are a lot of apps. I personally use an app called Fontasia right here. So let's open this, and I'm just gonna say happy Thursday and hit plus, and look at all these fancy fonts. So let's say I like this one. It's now copied by tapping. Now I'm gonna go back to my Instagram, and let's bring a picture right here. I just like having fun with Instagram stories. It's so much fun, and there are actually so many things that you can do with Instagram stories and really build your brand and stand out from other people. Now the fancy font, let's get back to that. So I'm gonna hit paste. Remember, I have copied it, so I'm gonna paste it, and look at that. How cool is that? So this is how you can add fancy fonts to your Instagram stories and really stand out from your competition. Now that's it. In this video we covered 3 hacks. How do you create photo collages or image collages for your Instagram stories? And then number 2 was using the text replacement and saving time when you're creating stories. And then number 3 was using the fancy fonts by a third-party app inside your Instagram stories. Now make sure you do subscribe to my YouTube channel. This channel is all about marketing hacks, tactics, and experiments like this to grow your business and build your brand online. So do subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.